How's it going, guys? This is Zach and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you that I did it. I've done it. I've made the mask, the web shooter. I improved the design a little bit. I don't know which one is this originally, but it's pretty cool. See that? Come on, focus up. Yeah, I'll show how it works later. And first, let's talk about this thing. As you can see, there is no line. I don't really know how to make the line and which things to make it. Which materials should I use? You can't move the eye. Originally I wanted to make it move, but I got frustrated and I stopped. So just like that. Yeah, you can see like you would see without wearing it. So it has a really wide range of vision. Yeah. Alright, now let's talk about this, the web shooter. I've made two of these, but the other one is gone. I don't know where it went. It is too small. Right, like I show you from the previous video, you only just have to insert this thing. You see that, but the mechanism is a little bit different. First, let's just insert this thing and lock with that thing. So you just lock it and then let me wear it to show you how it works. And there's a ton of people have done this, but this idea was from Sean's Craft. You can check his channel out. He's a very talented person. So you see that? Just there. It's very easy mechanism. Yeah. And it's also very fast. So yeah, I think that's it. I've made two of them. Yeah, if you have any suggestion how can I make it much better, with the line, with this mask and the coloring, or maybe the line, I guess, to make it more colorful, especially how to add the black line, maybe silver. So yeah, I think that's it for today. If you guys enjoy it, please leave a like, subscribe if you want to see the next DIY or gaming videos, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.